Hello, I'm Klaus Andersen. Today is Wednesday, the 24th of October 2018, and this is the DAX on a 5-minute time frame. We're taking a look at the trade of the day. Just quick want to browse on the open right here. We had a huge open bar, 50 points. I think most of these points were gained in the first half minute or so, and then price stalled down here. Usually the open technique is go short below the open bar for 10 points, and well, we made that today. But when you get this huge bar on the open, I think the risk is too high, and then you have to trade smaller. But it is usually, it's a good confirmation of the overnight trend down. So it is the direction you want to be looking to trade in, especially when you get this confirmation right here. So while price traded sideways, we had some resistance and some support down here. So perhaps you could have gotten short on a second entry short in here, but by then we had a lot of overlapping bars. Well, just wanted to quickly brush up on the open technique when you get a large bar like this. Back to the trade of the day. I marked this trade right here, very profitable trade. I was looking for shorts. Overall market is a bear market. You've seen a lot of selling going on these past couple of days. We had this open price action here, trading range price action, and you had a breakout to the upside of 100% expansion to the tick up here from this low. Well, perhaps it went just a bit higher than to the tick. If we put it on that low right there and on these highs, then well, almost made it, close enough. Then we had this spike pattern and a 1, 2, perhaps 3 push pattern, 1, 2, 3 push wedge pattern up here, and look how all the bars were smaller in here. Then you had a failed break lower, and then you had this bar right here. That's an outside up bar, and then we traded above this, and that actually triggered a buy signal for the bulls here. But this entry bar for the bulls closed on the lows. So when we went below these past two bars right here, I would say that's a sure short if you were looking to get short here. You have the double top, you have the nice signal bar, you have the 100% expansion move, you have the failed bull move right here. What I was thinking is breakout pullback to test this prior resistance area up here as new support. And look, price bounced down here as well. So others than me saw this as a potential profit management, trade management area down here. On the very short term, you have this low down here. Often when you make a bull and spike in channel, then price comes back to test where the channel started. So that's another target area up here. Now we had the support from this morning, either the very low of the day or the major support where you got the more bounces in here as a target area as well. Ended up, we had a long portrayed trend throughout the afternoon, and then you had this exhaustion spike down here. And they closed in here. So if you got out on the close, then you got out near the low of the day. Of course, we got a bounce and more selling, and now we're down here. If you were into this trade and you wanted to put a stop in here for, let's say you got short here and you had your runners going, where would you move your stop? Well, move it down as you get new lows. You want your stop up. At first you want your stop up here, and then as you made this low down here, I would move my stop down above this high right here. That's break even. And then when you made this lower lows right here, I would move above this double top, so on and so forth. And when you got this strong breakout to the bear side right here, put it above these highs where the breakout started right there. If we go above these highs, then that's a different situation. Then you don't want to be short anymore. Then probably changed into always in long or more ranging price action or whatever. If you did that, then you would still be in this trade right here. And if you got out on the close of the day right here, and you got in, let's say you got in there, then you would have gotten 193 points. Really good trade to end out with. If you just got in here, then you could have sat through all of this and then just looked at your open profits grow. That's it for today. I am Claus Andersen. Have a nice trading week.